an explosion.
Oh, funny fair. You're up next. It's amazing out there. Oh, I've seen you've been to the charity shop again. Now, anyway, get yourself out there, they're waiting for you. Now, go on, break a leg. Go on.
Break her leg? Charming. At least you say break her now. Then that would have been a disaster.
Come on, off with you.
Bye-bye, darling.
See ya, wouldn't want to be ya. Go on. Oh, she is quite a queen. But she'll be amazing. As well as a queen, he can be quite a bitch too. Friendly to your face, alright, but queen bitch when you're not around. Bitchiness? I can't stand bitchiness. Tell it to their face, that's what I say. Just because he has the looks and the figure, he thinks he's all that. But from what I've heard from his many boyfriends, he's somewhat lacking in certain areas. I suppose his big mouth compensates. I know what you must be thinking. An old drag queen, past her prime, jealous of the new flavour of the month. Me? Jealous? No. I'm fabulous. Flavour of the month? Only because he gets on his knees to get all those bookings. Miss Coco Explosion, that's me. I've performed for the best, and the best love me. Okay, I may be on the rounder side, but the punters love me. Who am I kidding? A fat old drag queen with last year's material. For God's sake, look at his hair. Greying and thinning by the day. But I am happy. I really am happy. I've got experience on my side, the benefit of wisdom. An experienced, wise, a wise old freak in a dress, that's what I boil down to. Someone to warm up the proper talent. Just a freak show. Gone are the days I was really wanted. If I'm honest, Miss Coco Explosion, she's doing fine. She's doing well. It's me. It's me that's wanting. The wig, the costumes, the flair, that's what they really want. Nobody wants me. I could change out these clothes right now, walk back through that room. Nobody would notice me. A sad old queen, past his peak, unwanted. Wanted. A basic human need. To be wanted, to be loved. To be loved for who you are, not what you can do. All I ever wanted was to be loved. It's never happened, it probably never will. I should have called myself Miss Welcome Mat for all the men that have walked all over me, trampled, lied and cheated. Listen to me all depressed and down. I'm doing well. I'm doing fine. I've got a job, work for myself. I've got a beautiful apartment and gorgeous curtains to die for. I treat myself when I want and I go on holiday where I want. Money is not really an object. Guess they were right when they said money can't buy you love. I've got a good heart, good sense of humour, I'm sociable and fun-loving. Listen to me, I sound like some crap, vile dating advert. There was a guy once, he said he loved me, and I loved him. I opened up to him like no one else before. I gave him my all. I thought it was it. He didn't love me. Well, I was out working night after night, giving us a good life. He was out pissing it up and sleeping with more men than bloody Katie Price. Another night is over. The smile wiped away. The glam and bits of tissue. I was Miss Coco Explosion, and I will be Coco again. But in the meantime, I am nothing and nobody to no one.